Introducing the GMISUN Spice Jars with bamboo lids, a pack of 20 glass spice containers that are perfect for organizing your kitchen and adding a touch of rustic elegance to your space. These small round spice bottles come with airtight bamboo lids, providing a modern yet farmhouse-inspired look. What sets these spice jars apart is the combination of glass and bamboo, which creates a unique and stylish design. Unlike regular shaker spice bottles, the clear wood spice jars allow you to easily differentiate between different spices, reducing the risk of picking up the wrong one while cooking. To further enhance the aesthetic appeal, the GMISUN Spice Jars come with 252 pre-printed spice labels. These labels not only help you identify and access all your spices easily, but they also give the containers a uniform and organized look when placed together. The 20-pack of 2.5 ounces glass jars is the perfect size for creating a uniform spice drawer or for displaying them on your kitchen countertop or cabinet. Not only do these spice jars look great, but they are also highly functional. The bamboo lids are specially designed with a strip of silicone around the rim to ensure maximum freshness and airtightness when storing your spices for long periods. The lids have good suction, securely sealing the jars and keeping air and ants out. The 2.2-inch wide mouth allows for easy scooping of seasonings with the included spoon. These multi-purpose glass containers are not just limited to storing spices, herbs. They can be used to store snacks like nuts or candies, bathroom and toiletry items like cotton balls or cosmetic pads, or even as desktop storage for items like paper clips. They can also be repurposed as unique decor pieces to showcase your collection at the workplace. Additionally, they can be used for DIY candle making or as wedding, party favors to impress your friends with your creativity. At GMISUN, we pride ourselves on providing high-quality products. That's why we carefully pack each set of spice jars in a sturdy box, with a soft layer on top and bottom to protect the jars. We also add cardboard between individual jars to prevent scratching during shipping. However, if you do encounter any damage or other issues with the glass spice bottles you receive, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will be more than happy to solve any problems for you as soon as possible. Please note that these spice jars are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your kitchen organization and add a touch of elegance with the GMISUN Spice Jars with bamboo lids. Order now and experience the perfect blend of functionality and style in one product.